How to fix Snapchat sound problem. Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix your Snapchat sound problem. So if you have been facing sound problem, if someone sends you a video and the sound of the video is not playing, there are a few things that you can do to fix it. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your app is up to date. So go ahead and search for Snapchat on Google Play Store, hit enter, and make sure that your app is up to date. If you see an update button like this, make sure to tap on the update button because sometimes if the app is not up to date, it might be causing those glitches. The other thing that you can try to do is long press on this, head over to its app info, and make sure all of the permissions are allowed. So just go ahead and tap on app permissions and make sure all of these are allowed. The other thing you can try to do is clear its cache. So go to its settings again and then tap on storage. Now you can just try to clear its cache, and if you want you can try to clear data once as well, and it will delete all of your data and clear out. You will just have to log back in once again. Once you have done all of that, you can just go back and restart your device. If none of this works, you can just try to uninstall the app and reinstall it again, and your app should start working normally. That's it for this video guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.